Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some steamed fish with some okra, some water crackers. So these are my lovely fish right here. I'm using 3 Red Bream. Okay, I already scale it, clean it, everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slice it like 2 times just before I season it up. Yep, like so. That's perfect. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. But guys, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, just use whichever you have at home, okay? Yes. So firstly, I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt on my fish before I season it up. I'm not gonna add a lot of salt because you know sometimes all these seasoning full of so much salt and I try to cut down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend it with my hand. Just mix it all up. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on my fish. Make sure some of the seasoning get right in the part that you slice it. Just gonna rub it. These fish is very thick, so I have to season them up properly. And you're gonna get some of the seasoning inside of the fish belly. And you're just gonna rub it up same way. Inside of this one also. Just gonna turn it over. I'm telling you, you see them fish are finished. When I finish, they're gonna taste so good. So with these one, I just do 1 cut, okay? So you just want to carry on with the same process. So I'm gonna leave back this amount of seasoning, okay? So that's nicely seasoning. So this is some of my other ingredients. Here I have 2 carrot, 2 medium-sized carrot, which I cut. So this is the size that I cut it into. You can cut it in whatever size you preferred. I also have 1 onion, 4 tomato, but this is the baby size tomato that I cut, and 1/4 pumpkin. And I also cut it, guys, and this is the size that I cut it into, okay? And as I said, you can cut it in whatever size you preferred. And half of Irish potato that I cut, also, and half of bell peppers, and I'm using the green one, yeah? Some spring onion, some fresh thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. And 4 cloves of garlic that I finely chop it up. And of course, some okra. So this is the amount that I'm gonna use. You can use whatever amount you preferred. And half of a chocho. I mean, just look at all these colors. May I tell you, them look goody. Oh my gosh. I just love all these natural color. They look real good. And some Excelsior Water crackers. I only have a little bit left. I don't have a lot. But guys, if you don't have it, it's fine. Just cook it without it, okay? But sometimes you can get them in your local Caribbean shop, or even in your supermarket at the rural section. Yeah, they have it there. And 1 Grace pumpkin soup mix. This right here, guys, is gonna add more flavor to your steamed fish, okay? But if you don't have it, it's fine. Just use whatever you have in your kitchen. So I'm gonna cut my okra, and I'm just gonna show you guys on how I do it. So I'm just gonna cut this part off, because this you don't need it. And right here as well. I'm just gonna do it in this size, okay? You can do it bigger, longer, it's all up to you. I'm just showing you guys how I do it. Everyone do their thing different. Comment below and tell me if you love steamed fish. Do you love it without the water crackers or with bami? Let me know. Or with just the okra. I love it with okra. With water crackers. Yes. I grew up on eating fish. I remember back in Jamaica, I remember my uncle them was fisherman. One of my uncle, Bertie. He used to go fish every morning. And a morning time when he finish catch fish, we used to always go to the seaside and get fish. Sometimes I cook it, scale it. I'm telling you, those was the days. Right in a buff bay. Those were the days. So you see it right there, guys. It is all cut, yeah? So I'm just gonna put it to my bowl. And my okra, I already wash it. Yes. Just in case you didn't know. So this is my chocho. And I'm just gonna peel it. As I'm peeling, I'm cleaning at the same time. This is how I do it. So you see right here, guys, in the middle, you're gonna want to cut it out. Make sure you cut it out, yeah? Because you don't want that. So now I'm just gonna cut into it. And I'm just gonna do it a slant way. Maybe like this size. Let me take my time, yeah? Let me take my time. This knife is not too sharp. Just gonna cut it in 2 pieces. This should be perfect, yeah. So guys, this is my Irish potato, and I didn't cut it too thick. I cut it very thin, okay? So it's easily to cook in the pot. Yeah. So let's get this cooking start. So here I have my pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 spoonfuls of oil. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my garlic, my onion, my spring onion, and my scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm just gonna allow it to saute just for a couple seconds. I'm just gonna allow the flavor to keep going, okay? This is where all the flavor. And I'm gonna also add some of my fresh thyme. So just after a couple seconds, I'm gonna add my pumpkin. Just make sure your stove is turned down. My carrot. My tomato. I'm not gonna add all of my tomato. I'm just gonna leave back some. Some of my Irish potato. Some of my green onions. And I'm gonna also add some of my chocho. But guys, I'm not gonna add all of it, as I said. Just gonna allow it to saute just for a couple of seconds. I'm just gonna add some of my seasoning, some of my remaining seasoning, and all my vegetable. So this is what it looks like just after a couple of seconds, okay? So what I'm gonna do, let me fix my pot. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, so here I have my Grace pumpkin soup mix. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some water in my bowl, at least 1 cup of water, warm water. Then I'm just gonna stir it all in. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna strain off all that noodle. This is something that I always do. I've been doing this for a long time now. I don't really like the noodle get into my fish or even in my soup. Not all the time. Sometimes I do it with the noodle, but sometimes I do it like this. Yeah. Look at my pot, guys. As you can see, it is nice and yellow. See that? That's exactly how you want it. So I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning, all my remaining seasoning that's left. And I'm gonna also add at least a ½ teaspoon of salt. Just gonna give it a stir, and you can always taste to your liking. And how can I forget some pimento seed? 1 teaspoon of pimento seed. And I'm just gonna add just a bit more water to it, guys, not a lot. That's at least 4 spoons. I'm gonna leave it for at least 6 minutes, okay? And my stove is on a medium heat. Yeah, so stay tuned. So just after 6 minutes, that's what it looks like. See that? Delicious. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my fish. You're just gonna lay them down. Just gonna pour some of that delicious juice all over on your fish. I'm telling you, it smells so good. The flavor, And I'm just gonna add my remaining ingredients that's left. So my tomato, my spring onions, my fresh thyme, some of my carrot that left back, just gonna pop it with my hand. This one I need to cut it a bit. Yeah. Some of my chocho that's left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour all that delicious juice and everything all over on your fish, okay? Make sure you take your time because you don't want them to squash up. And I'm gonna also add all my okra. And 1 spoon of butter. And guys, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 15 minutes, okay? So my fish, guys, is all finished, and this is what it looks like. It looking so delicious. The pumpkin, the carrot is nicely cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my water crackers on top. Just put them all over on your fish. And you're just gonna pour all that delicious liquid all on your crackers. And you can just leave it just for a minute, guys, and it's ready, okay? Good to go. Just taking my time plating up my fish. Gonna add my vegetable. Oops. Yo, may I tell you, that look good. See that, guys? Straight from Jody kitchen. I'm just adding my crackers. Yeah, that's perfect. Just gonna wipe around it. Gonna give you guys an up close look. Oh my, you say look? Yum. Oh my gosh, the fish looks so good, guys, and I'm telling you, I just taste some and it's absolutely delicious. So now I'm gonna taste my steamed fish, and guys, I'm gonna allow my 2-year-old daughter to taste it for me, okay? Naomi, you're gonna taste my fish.
Ow.
And you're gonna tell me how it tastes, yeah?
Okay.
Make sure so I'm not get no bone. See that, guys? Soft, nice. This is exactly how you want it.
What?
Naomi, taste some. Taste it, baby. How it tastes?
Nice.
Tastes nice? Hey! You hear my daughter say? She said it tastes nice. You love it? Yeah? You want some more? Okay. Let me get some more.
I want more.
Come, taste some more. Let me take out the bone. Taste some more, baby.
Yum.
So guys, please share my video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Honestly, I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please support my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Stay blessed. Love ya.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Jolie, I say bye too. You know I say bye. Acha, yeah, Akshay. And don't forget, guys, to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what. Because God is always on your side. Bye.